Welcome to the final video of Section 1. Let's create Hello World. In the previous video, we talked about some concepts such as concurrency, parallelism, asynchronous, synchronous, blocking, non-blocking, and race conditions. In this video, we will take a look at how we can add Akka on our app, and how we'll create a Hello World app. Let's begin then. To create the Hello World app, we need to define the greet message and the greeter actor that handles the greet message. Then, we'll create an instance from the greeter actor, and finally send our greet message to our actor instance. The first thing we need to add is the Akka library on our library dependencies in the build.sbt file. Now we are ready to define the greet message and greeter actor. For this, we need to define our greet message. So let's define a case class, who2greet, which takes a single string parameter. Then we'll define the greeter actor. Let's define the class greeter that extends the actor trait for which we need to define an implementation for the receive function. A receive function is a partial function that takes anything and returns a unit. As we have a single message, we'll have one case. When our actor receives the who2greet message, we want to print the hello message. Now, let's create an instance of greeter actor. In Akka, you can't create an instance of actor like an instance of normal class. We will create our instance using the theActorOf method in the actor system. We will learn more about this in the next section. First, let's create our actor system, and then we create an instance of greeter actor. The actor_of function takes two parameters: props that is essential, and actor name that is optional. If we don't provide the actor name, Akka will generate one for us, but most of the time we'll provide a unique name for our actor. Now we have a running instance of the greeter actor, let's send the who2greet message to this instance. We will use tell to send our message. Don't worry, we'll go through the details in the next section. Now, let's run our app. There's our greeting message. Excellent! At the end of the video, we learned how to add Akka on our app, created our first app that contains greeter actor and who2greet message, and finally sent our message to our actor. This marks the end of Section 1. In this section, we introduce the actor model and the problems before the actor model. Next, we discuss some concepts such as concurrency, parallelism, asynchronous, synchronous, non-blocking, blocking, and race condition. And finally, we created the important app called Hello World app. In the next section, Playing with Actors, we will introduce actor components, actor lifecycle, actor system, and supervision strategies.